The Goblet Cable Squat with V-bar is a leg exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps as well as the hamstrings and glutes. When it comes to using the cable machine for squats, this variation is one of the best setups as it allows you to overload the muscles in the legs with more of a vertical path of resistance rather than a horizontal path created by the low cable squat variation. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a V-bar handle to the lowest pulley on the cable machine. While standing facing the cable machine, pull the V-bar attachment up to chest height, then switch grips to hold it with both hands with a goblet grip. Keep your elbows pointing down and close to your body. Position your feet shoulder width apart with your toes slightly pointing outward. Tighten your abs to brace your core, then lower yourself by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you were sitting in a chair. Keep the handle in front of your chest throughout the movement. Maintain a natural arch in your lower back with your chest up and shoulders back throughout the movement. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as deep as your mobility allows while maintaining good form, keeping your knees in line with your toes to avoid letting them cave inward. Push through your heels to stand back up, extending your knees and hips to return to the starting position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.